Dear learners, welcome to the summary video of week 3. We crossed the halfway mark of our course, more than halfway. We are concluding this crucial segment of our course in week 3, where we moved beyond market analysis and technological trends to focus on the indispensable core of any successful digital venture, that is, the brand. This week covered units 11, 12 and 13, shifting our focus entirely to building, developing and protecting the core identity of a digital business. We established that a brand is the deliberate creation of a clear, consistent and emotionally engaging identity that users recognize and connect with across all digital platforms. Unit 11, Introduction to Digital Branding. In this unit, we learned that a brand is not just a logo. It is what people feel, think and remember about your business. We made the critical distinction that branding is the stable foundation or the roots keeping the image coherent, while marketing is the outward action or the branches encouraging people to act. A complete brand includes visual identity, verbal identity, values and emotions, which together shape the final user perception. Unit 12, Developing a Brand Identity, provides the framework for marketing or making this identity tangible. We covered visual identity, noting that design choices are important. For example, sans serif fonts convey modernity and the color blue represent trust and professionalism. The verbal identity defines how the brand speaks, and the tone must be consistent, professional and often empowering and solution oriented to address user pain point. We found that long-term loyalty is built through emotional identity based on core values like empowerment, growth and accessibility. To maintain recognition and trust, consistency is essential. We studied practical tools like the Style Guide, which acts as the brand's rulebook, and templates and brand kits for streamlined campaign implementation across the different platforms. Finally, Unit 13, entitled Brand Protection and Reputation Management, which addressed the safeguarding the brand interest. We focused on securing assets using intellectual property, IP, trademarks protect key identifiers like names, logos and slogans, securing exclusive rights in commerce. Meanwhile, copyrights automatically protect original creative works including articles, videos and software code. We must proactively monitor digital assets for misuse or infringement using tools like Google Alerts or social listening tools to detect issues early. This monitoring is crucial for brand integrity. We also mastered reputation management. Handling negative public feedback requires a structured 4-step approach. Acknowledge, apologize, and offer a solution and follow up. This structure builds trust. For severe issues, crisis communication demands a quick and transparent response using digital channels like the website and social media to provide official updates. Long-term trust relies heavily on transparency and ethics, including ensuring data privacy and acting with integrity in all business practices. In summary, week 3 provided the complete framework for digital identity, defining the brand's core structuring, that identity through consistent frameworks and legally and ethically protecting that valuable asset from external threats. That is what we need to understand the importance of brand. Thank you for remain in this course and continue learning through this course for your possible startups in future. Thanks again.